trees still have some color. But like I've said in my previous videos, it will not be long until all this will be gone and it'll be gray. This is depressing. This time change has killed everything I've done. By the time I get off work, this is what it looks like. And 20 minutes from now, the sun will be gone. It's depressing. It's very depressing. Since it is dark and stuff early, I was thinking about just going ahead and finishing my next novel, but I don't know. This story depresses me, and I mean it's worse than it getting dark earlier. I've got this much finished, but I honestly just do not want to write it. And you know, when I was writing this one, because this is the one I actually finished and is published, when I was writing this one, it took me forever. And I ended up finishing up in the winter months because there was nothing else to do. There was nothing. And there were parts of this one that got me in that mood, that depressed, anxious mood. But I did finish it. So maybe that's what I'm going to have to do. Just instead of, going out and trying to hike in the dark, maybe I should finish my next book. So what am I going to do for a video today? I mean, my life is pretty boring, but I was thinking maybe I'll walk around and look at the decorations. Of course, everything's not finished yet, but hey, it's starting to look good. Coming along. Oh yeah, this has to be the best one. That's great. Wow, now that's elaborate. Wow. Santa's good list. Am I on here? I'm on here. I'm on the good list. Oh, that's cute. Next year, this will be better. So yeah, here it is, me leaving work, and it's already near twilight. So I'm gonna go see my mother, and I guess I'll go home. Yeah. So here I am on my way home. I stopped and got Way a pot pie from Kentucky Fried Chicken. And as I'm coming home, there are 3 police officers sitting on the side of the road with their lights on. You know, something's happened. But all of a sudden, this car in front of me just stopped, like locked up. I didn't hit it, but I had to slam on my brakes, and everything went into the floor. Why do people do that? I mean, are they trying to see if somebody's going to be taken to jail? Are they trying to see a dead body? Well, I mean, if that's the case, then, 20 minutes later you can see it on social media. Anyway, so yeah, so this has been my evening. I hope yours was good. Anyway, I'll see you later.